Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon. So, the sum given by S of the measures of the interior angles of an n-gon is S equals the quantity of n minus 2 times 180, where n is greater than or equal to 3. For example, if we're going to find the sum of the measures of the interior angle of an octagon, using this formula here, S equals quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Then this will be equal to, n is the number of sides, so we're going to have octagon, we're going to have 8 sides. So we're going to have 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Then 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, then multiplied to 180 degrees. Now 6 times 180 degrees, that will be equal to 1080 degrees. Second example, find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a pentagon. So the same with number 1, we're going to use the formula S equals the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now pentagon has 5 sides, so we're going to have 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. And 5 minus 2 is 3, then times 180 degrees, and the answer here will be 540 degrees. Okay, number 3, find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of an n-decagon. So n-decagon has 11 sides. So using the formula, S equals quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So our value of n here is 11, so we're going to have 11 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 11 minus 2 is 9, so we're going to have here 9 times 180 degrees. And 9 times 180 degrees is equal to 1620 degrees. Number 4. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of an 18-gon. So 18-gon has 18 sides, so using the formula, S equals quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. We're going to have here 18 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 18 minus 2 is 16, so you're going to have 16 times 180 degrees. Then 16 times 180, that will be 2880 degrees. And let's have our last example, number 5. Find a polygon whose sum of the measures of the interior angles is 900 degrees. So in here, we're going to still use the formula S, or the sum, equals quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Then we are given here the sum, so we're going to substitute that one to S. So S here will be equal to 900 degrees. Then this is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Then multiplying here, n minus 2 times 180, so we're going to have 180 times n is 180n. Then negative 2 times 180 is negative 360. Then transposing this one to the left side, so we're going to have 900, negative 360 will become positive 360, equals 180n. Then 900 plus 360, that will be equal to 1260. This is equal to 180n. Then dividing both sides by 180. So 180 divided by n is n. Then 1260 divided by 180, that will be equal to 7. So n here is equal to 7, meaning the polygon that we are looking for is heptagon. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.